Time check, it's 4:57 p.m. Monday is a super productive run errands. Tugbong na ta. Magnikaya. Pero nalimtan na ang kinahanglan. Lay ang napalit. Ay nako, ngiyaya ka lang. Magluto pa day tawag burger for Madam Sir. Hala babe, ato.
Wait for
We need to get
some
some.
onion. Pickle. What?
Wala tayo
Lettuce?
litos.
Somebody go get lettuce real quick. We don't want spinach, don't cut it.
Agoy, wala na tayo gas. Daddy. So yeah, Sam's Club last cause saan pag burger kung wala tayo meat burger. Ha? Huh? What happened?
It won't work.
You want to happen?
It won't work.
It won't happen.
Because the card, we don't have the card anymore. And I tried to use another card. Next
You
thing
took
know,
the card, babe, already. I give it back to you.
I lost
Number?
the sauce.
Saan mo sa di ay? Ay, naku. How's the kuan na card grocery inside? It's okay?
Yeah, that'd be okay. For some reason it bugs out because we got the wrong zip code on the wrong card and then I don't know what happened.
Oh, you can't get kuan dahil. Tugnaw kaayo, guys. Tugnaw kaayo. Time to go. Kaya sunset na, oh. Whew. You guys ready? Pagkapuno sa to. Unsa na to, eh. Asa ta magkuan? Asa ta magbalinlag?
Oh, almost.
Asa ta magtugbong, eh.
1%.
Okay, go home na gid ta. Whew. 1% na lang. Figo. Beautiful sunset. Wow, guwapa kaayo. Uy, pauli na ta. Tugbong na mga lagan.